Introducing the Fluke FEV300, the solution for testing the function and safety of AC electrical vehicle charging stations. Equipped with both Type 1 and Type 2 connectors, it's perfect for extensive testing on Mode 3 charging stations, commonly found in both public and home settings. It is compatible with both a panel mount socket outlet as well as with a fixed cable. The FEV300 is loaded with features such as emulating an electric vehicle, which allows the FEV300 to replicate a charging cycle for precise results. With its proximity pilot state rotary switch, it simulates various current capacities of the charging cable from 13 amps to 63 amps. The control pilot state rotary switch allows simulation of charging states A, B, C. It also integrates a PE pre-test feature for testing voltage presence on the PE conductor. Furthermore, the FEV300 is compatible with the 1663 and 1664 FC multifunction installation testers from Fluke, which allows for a variety of safety measurements. This integration facilitates quick and easy testing of RDC-DD, providing additional protection against 6 mA DC leakage currents on charging points. These safety tests, in line with international standards, ensure charging stations adhere to the highest professional standards, safeguarding users and reinforcing your reputation as a thorough and dependable electrician. Now, let's explore how to use the FEV300 in combination with an installation tester. Set the left dial to the charging point's maximum current. Set the right dial to vehicle status A. Connect your installation tester to the FEV300 and then connect the adapter to the charging point. Set the right dial to vehicle status B, which signals the charger to lock the plug. Wait a few seconds to allow the charging station to stabilize. Then set the right dial to vehicle status C. The charger will activate the charging output, which is indicated by the LEDs on the FEV300 adapter. Carry out necessary electrical safety testing according to your country's installation test standards. Simulate protective earth error and control pilot error by pressing the respective keys. Ensure the charger stops charging when errors are present. Lastly, test condition D, charging with ventilation. Rotate the dial to status A, then B, all ready to charge. Finally, select status D. As most charging stations do not provide charging with ventilation, the charging station should show error condition and the charging output should not be activated. Fluke is here to empower your EV safety. With the Fluke FEV300 and the 1663 and 1664 FC installation multifunction testers, you ensure reliable, compliant and secure EV charging infrastructure.